In a world of delusion, I wait for a clean conclusion, a great mental confusion, one that perhaps can be called for illusion. Which I can destroy the bullets with the clans, my home cries simple with the pots and pans. Lots of hands, tripling, putting shots from man, but yet still alive from forgotten land. Sometimes I cry when no one knows, tears full of blood, rest on my soul. How is it possible to cry the color of rose for those who oppose, describe this status, my heart as a choke. We get to this world, there's still I suppose. But only if you know with the hands, knees and toes, from your head to the tip of your nose, lie on that, where they suppose you are safe from you.